Did you know that you could use ChatGPT to easily crank out a pre-listing packet that will secure your next listing and maybe even land you your next deal as well? My name's Chris Scott, and I want to show you how you can make AI useful, practical, and profitable in your real estate practice. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a CMA to ChatGPT to create a pre-listing packet email that is personalized specifically for that prospective seller. All right, so you can see I've got ChatGPT pulled up on my screen here, and I'm going to go ahead and pull up this CMA that I have off to the side that we're going to use for this particular scenario with this prompt. So I've got this CMA. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to just drag and drop that CMA into ChatGPT. And then I have this prompt that I've been working on from our Marketing Club resources. It's actually from our ChatGPT playbook. I'm going to copy and paste that. I'm going to put that in here. And then I'm going to go ahead and just hit send, and it's going to generate. And it's going to ask me a couple of pieces of information. It wants to know the client name. So I'm going to go ahead and put name, and we'll say equals Kyle. And then we're going to put the day is Friday. This is the day of the listing appointment. I'm going to put the time is 7 p.m. And now that I've fed that, it'll incorporate that information into the email. Okay, now it's done generating this pre-listing packet email. Let's take a look at what it has produced. It says subject line actions required before our appointment on Friday. And then here it's putting in that prospective seller's name and the prospective seller's address. So it says, I'm looking forward to our meeting on Friday at 7 p.m. to discuss the sale of the property. It has the address there, which it actually pulled from the CMA. I didn't have to put that information in there. And then it tells you, or tells this prospective seller, the person reading this email, what they're going to do for our discussion. In this specific email, we're going to have them review a pricing snapshot, take a look at the marketing plan and marketing proposal. So what it does is it generates a pricing snapshot from that CMA. So instead of just going out to all of the internet, it's able to use that CMA to give a really specific pricing snapshot that is up to date for that home. Now, when I created that CMA, you can use your MLS. I used RPR to generate that CMA. Produces a nice looking CMA that you can use. You can see here it's pulling in some market comparisons. Then it gets to section 2. It talks about some of the key selling points, again, that it has derived from that CMA. Generates a marketing strategy, positioning statement, gets into what some of the marketing activities are going to be, and then it talks about the marketing proposal. I'm going to highlight this section here because this was in the prompt format that I asked it to produce, because a lot of my time went into engineering the output format that was spelled into that prompt to produce this email. So here in section 3, it says selecting the right realtor is one of the most important decisions you make. The right agent ensures your property receives maximum exposure, is positioned to sell quickly, and negotiates the best possible terms for you. On Friday, we'll review a detailed marketing proposal that outlines the full strategy, pricing justification, and next steps. Check out some of the sample marketing below, and I'm going to show you where to get that. One of the things that I found, one of the problems or issues that I ran into, and this is a tip for you, is instead of copying and pasting straight out of ChatGPT into my email, I found that it was better to copy and paste it into a Google Doc and then make the modifications in the Google Doc so that it would keep a lot of the formatting. So I can come in here and I would massage and make this the way I want it to look. Now, one of the key things is this section here where it says that we're going to look at some of the sample marketing below. And so I have a Canva template that I have from our members area, from the Marketing Club that I shared. And I'm just going to update the image with the image of this particular home. And I'm just going to zoom out a little bit, put there. Let me just keep this window open so that I can easily drag this into all of this. And what you're seeing here is a sample marketing pieces. You got what represents the website, social media, YouTube, Google Ads, flyers, brochures. So this particular sample marketing, the impress factor is that it has a picture of their home, and it kind of looks like we've made this marketing for them. Now that I have it here, what I can do is just copy and paste it into Gmail. Just get rid of all this. And from that Google Doc, it keeps all of the formatting. And so what we've done is we've created a really effective pre-listing packet email. And we did that using ChatGPT and a CMA and a Canva template. And we were able to do that. I didn't clock the time, but it was a very, very fast process. What's really powerful about this pre-listing packet is that it's super personalized. And that's what gets that seller's attention, because it looks like you did a lot of homework to go through and pull all of the pricing snapshot pieces together, to be able to review the comps, to be able to identify what the key selling points of the property are going to be. And then even going as far as producing sample marketing materials that you see in this example here, that is an impress factor, so that prospective seller, they're receiving all of this information before you show up on that listing appointment. And that wow factor is part of providing that 5-star experience to secure that listing. If you found this video useful, practical, or profitable, please like the video, subscribe to our channel so you can keep getting AI tips and tricks, and we'll see you in the next video.